How you guys doing today? Let me show you this little kid's camera that comes with different little cars, different styles, different colors. It also comes with a little stand, so it opens up into the little tripod, which you screw into the bottom, or you could close it up and it becomes a little selfie stick or to record. It comes with little stickers you can put on the camera if you want. The charger, this little necklace which you hook on each side so it goes around their neck, or this little lanyard where you just hook onto one side right here on the corner. So let's go ahead and use this camera and show you what it does. Say cheese. All right. Cheese. All right. So this is a great little camera for kids. You could take pictures, record, and it has games, and you could download music on it. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you.